I'm too old to stand around here all day. Take it easy, guys.
Yeah, take it easy.
Protest for months and nobody's dying of China virus. Don't be a slave to the left. Don't be a slave to the left. Gotta fight for a country. Oh, Gavin! Thank you for destroying my life for my safety, Gavin. Thank you so much, Gavin.
I'm talking to that girl went in there. I bet they're going to arrest her for 502. Yeah, really. We're still down there talking to her. That's a pretty long time.
45 or 17, we all bleed the same.
Looks like they're giving her a text out of the street, right?
Angry, I'm reciting the facts.
Yeah, I wish I would have filmed it when I saw her get out of the car and I saw the girl get...
What is this, the Great Wall of China?
Because the way that you're portrayed on our news and in movies, being white and being racist aren't the same, man, I promise. No, it's hard to tell the difference if I'm just being honest. I deserve the chance to show you
on a truck?
the problem.
Bring it down, 200 miles south. No, not even 150 miles south.
It's okay to have racist walls around Tinhorn Flats, but not around our country to protect our country. Look at this.
Backwards. Backwards. Backwards.
Ass backwards in Colony, California. If you're a thug like George Floyd or Breonna Taylor, they make you into a martyr. That's what the left does. If you're a thug like George Floyd or Breonna Taylor, they a martyr. The whole thing. It happened this week. They released the whole video, you dumbass. Fuck yourself, you fucking
I've begun to like him.
You're watching it. We saw the whole video, you dumbass. The propaganda is right there.
In the middle of the street.
What the fuck's the city doing?
Go to another country.
Okay.
Everybody on the street, please. Out of the street. Out of the street. Please, out of the street. Have your conversation out of the street.
Okay, what's your first name?
It's Penny.
Penny, P-E-N-N-Y?
Yeah.
Penny, and where are we, and what did you want to tell me today?
We're in Burbank. I'm not from the area, but I want to make a point about what's happening. I just want to say that I feel like I'm not a customer here, but I support their protest because it's not just about them, it's about what's going on all across the country. And it seems to me that this is a form of punishment. Like the city is punishing this restaurant because they tried to survive, which a lot of businesses did not survive. They didn't commit a crime. They didn't do anything except try to survive. And so I feel like the local government, the right thing to do would be to have leniency and empathy and compassion and support for its local businesses. And that goes for everywhere across the country. Because to fight and to go to war with their local business, with just trying to survive, the pandemic was a punishment enough for everybody. So that's my point. I don't think that they should be punished, even though they violated some of the shutdown rules, you know. I mean, they were just trying to survive. They weren't hurting they weren't, you know. So anyone who went there during that time went there on their own choice. And that's my point. I don't think local governments or federal government should punish anybody who tried to survive the pandemic, financially or business, because it was already enough of a punishment. I don't think they should go to war with their local business.